In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a quiz to your Wix website. So from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements and then go to this search box, click on it, and we want to search for a quiz. So it will show us some different quiz options for the apps. I am going to do Firefox quizzes. So we just want to click on Open and it will take us to the Firefox quizzes tab. So right here we want to add this to site. We need to agree and add. So it's going to look like this. Now if we want to set this up, we can drag and drop it, adjust it to our liking, but we want to click on settings right here. And it will show us an option to create a quiz here. So this is where we create the quiz. So basically you can add the date here or the name itself. So I'm going to call it NetStore quiz, like so. And also the type of quiz. So it's a yes/no quiz, scenario quiz, most answered, most selected answers quiz. I will do yes or no quiz. And now we have to choose the template for it from the left hand side. So you can see different options for templates. If you want to view any, you click on view and it looks like this. So I will just choose a life coaching quiz here. So you just click on choose next to it. So instructions, click start to find your happiness blocker. So this is what your quiz beginner will look like. So I'm going to do choose the best product for you. This is just an example. You also have some more options here. If we click on it, choose the best product for you, it will open up the quiz creator itself. So you can choose the questions as well, but I'll just do this. For the design, we can choose a color. I'm going to do orange. And for the responses, you will be able to see all of the responses or the people who have taken this quiz right here and their responses. And statistics as well. So you will be able to see how many people have played your quiz. If we click on add quiz here, it will basically just add it to our page. Now, like I said, if we want to directly edit the quiz itself, I'm just going to remove everything and just go back to settings. And here I will go to my quizzes and I will view my life coaching quiz that I just created. Now we need to subscribe if we want to actually use it because we have created it before. But basically, if you want to show a new one, I'm going to show you how you can actually create answers for it. So I just created a new one. For the design, we want to click on more options, and here's where we actually design it. So time/limit progress bar, you can choose whichever setting you would like here. You can display the questions in a random order. So for question 1, here's where we actually set it up. So for question 1, we can do what are you looking for? We can do answers. So answer 1, e-commerce, products. As you can see, it automatically saves your answers as well. So you can enter up to 4 answers per question. And you can make many questions here. If you want to delete a question, you just click on here to the X. Would you like to create rules based on the quiz? No, the most selected answer. So the contact form here, they can contact you with first, last name and email address. You can also make this quiz redirect people to a link to a page or some certificates. Would you like to display buttons to share your quiz on social media? We can leave this as yes. And the thank you page, once they complete it, they can share their results. And after you have set this up, like I said, here you can choose the design like I just showed you, and this is what the quiz itself looks like. So what are you looking for? E-commerce, products, and I didn't fill this out, but basically you want to go through all of these pages one by one, fill this out, and as you can see, they can now start this quiz. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.